everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here. I hope you are well. Thanks for clicking on this video. And I have a fun video today, I think. We'll see how it goes because I'm gonna do the Fox makeup look, the eye makeup, which it's kind of like, it's like a cat eye. I mean, it sort of has a flick, but I think the difference is that the inner corner also has a point too. And you know, we'll see. I wanted to also give a shout out to FANCII. They are a brand of makeup mirrors and they are sponsoring a portion of this video. And I just wanted to show you my new toy. I'm so excited. They sent me the Zora. This is a makeup mirror. It is 3 panels, okay? And it has a, oh gosh, I'm gonna like, look, there's my entire bedroom and the camera. How am I, this is my, there we go. I'll show you the desk with the brochure. So it has a panel for magnification. This is, okay, here's, yeah, this is this 5-time magnification mirror. And why am I getting my fingerprints all over it? And this is the 7-times magnification, which I recommend only doing for plucking your eyebrows, or possibly when you're doing a Fox flick eyeliner. And then this part though, it has 3 different LED light settings. Watch, there's the power. So it's like daylight. Actually, I don't know, let me check, hang on. The first one is, this is soft white, natural daylight, and then neutral white. And then, and then of course you can just power it down. It has a rechargeable battery that comes with a USB cord. You can just power it in. You can power it from your laptop or get like a USB, you know, because I mean, we all have plugs around, right? So I love that it doesn't use like AA batteries or something like that. I think it is a more affordable version for high quality makeup mirrors. There are some really inexpensive ones that I will admit I have tried and then end up being kind of a disappointment. And then there's some really expensive ones out there that look amazing, but they're just way out of my budget. So if you're looking for something and you're kind of, they've got a few kinds to choose from, and if this is something that suits you, I definitely recommend checking them out. I will have a link and a discount code below. This is amazing and I love it. It tilts and it's right here in front of me. So I'm kind of, you'll see me use it. It has 7 hours, I believe, 7 hours of once it's charged in terms of power. So that's awesome. Yeah, right? Okay. Oh, hi, and if you're new, welcome, and I hope that you subscribe. And hey, if you've been watching me and you haven't subscribed yet, come on, join the club. Also, please hit that notification bell. Okay, I am going to use my Copycat Beauty eyeshadow primer. This stuff is pretty amazing. I'm also going to apply concealer over the top of that because I want to use eyeshadow primer to create a solid base that doesn't crease or anything like that. But the problem is my eyelids have so much, you know, they've got veins and different things like that. So got a little Pat McGrath action for us. We are also going to take some Milani. This is the Scream Queen shade 220. I'm going to take the Copycat Beauty palette in Revamped. And this is, I want to say, inspired by one of the Urban Decay palettes. And I'm going to, so this is my inspiration for the look. And you can see how it's a very simple eye makeup. And I actually think what I'm going to do before I go in with the shadow This is a Wet n Wild liner. It's actually called Breakup Proof, and it's for, it's kind of like a waterline. I am going to put that on first before I do shadow. I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna go in this shade right here. Oh yeah, come at me. Come at me, Fancy, I love ya. It's so great to be able to just look at my mirror right in front of me. I used to have one over here and it was tall. And then I've also, and it's like, oh, but then you guys just see the side of my face, which I've got a Wayne Goss number 18, and I'm gonna go in this shade right here. I'm going to use my little Beauty Blender Pro, this little thing, this guitar pick. Is this still available? I mean, you can use a piece of paper or a credit card. I'll go in with a brush that's smaller. It's going to be, okay, I gotta mimic this down to my, okay, let's see if I can do this right. Oh, I don't want to lift my eyebrow. Hang on. Hang on. All right, I'm gonna take an even smaller brush. Oh gosh, I don't know why does that happen to me? Okay, that's better. That is better. I think maybe I can just kind of do it myself. I don't need the thing. Maybe that's what's messing me up. Okay, so I think we have figured out the eyeshadow. You know, just kind of, we want it lifted. We want it lifted and kind of this way. And clearly this eye, I don't know why it is not cooperating, but we are going to do the liner. This is the Kat Von D. This is the Dagger liner. I love this because it's such a thin, it's like a flat thin liner brush. And I'm gonna go in on the 5x magnification on my FANCII mirror. If you can see that, okay, cool. And I don't want to blink. And I want to do a little bit right there. Oh, I'm telling you, you guys, this magnification is making it so much easier. And it's not about like how your vision is. It's just about seeing it with greater detail, which is a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna use my lip bar. This is the FANCII Stay Ready Minute Finish Face Palette, and I got the, which one is this? Stay Ready, sorry, yeah. So you get 4 products in one. Look at me, I'm like not moving. The highlight, this is actually a face powder, which I already powdered, but it's actually kind of a nice finishing powder if you think it's too dark for a regular setting powder. Contour and blush. So let's do some blush first. And I'm gonna do the Wayne Goss lifted thing. Remember where he puts everything kind of up here and this part of the face? I actually did that video, the Wayne Goss facelift. That was a couple years ago. Wow, okay. Guys, shh, shh, don't talk. No, we're not gonna talk about it. Then we're gonna take some highlight from here, right here. I'm going to use the Maybelline, the Falsies Push-Up Angel first. And then I might use some false lashes just on the end. We'll see. See now, when you put mascara on, your world changes. Also, I did pop on some little mini kiss lashes, and I to put on a lip. Where did it go? Oh yeah, so got my e.l.f. Just kind of going with a neutral. I have another lip bar product. You can get this at Target. It's called As If, is the liquid, is the shade. Maybelline has some new lip glosses. It's a Shauna, I can't read this is the shade Barefoot. It's a collab, but I can't read the cursive. So I forget who it is, but this shade, it's just a cute, it's really cute. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Just gonna do that. Get that, you know, supermodel. Look at, I look just like Bella Hadid. I know, right? But if you just look at me from here, it's good. It changes your eye shape. Oh, and I really do have a lot of highlight right there, which does elongate my nose. So, you know, some folks love it, some folks don't. So just let it go. This is fun. And guess what? It was made so easy thanks to my fancy mirror. It's my fancy mirror. I just love it. I love it. I'm going to give you guys more information in the description box and you can check it out for yourself. And I will list all the products below. I feel kind of cool. This is a very empowering makeup look, I have to say. The whole Foxy, I dig it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun for you. And I hope that you have subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I have that linked below. Stay well, stay safe. and I will see you next time. Bye.